Okay, let's dive into making your Power BI reports way more dynamic.
Right? We want our data to actually tell a story, not just sit there.
I'm going to show you a simple trick that honestly feels like magic when you see it in action.
It's what some people call the magic triangle of Power BI, and for good reason.
It's all about these three key features working together. Let's break them down real quick.
Think of a bookmark not as a picture, but a saved, interactive state you can jump back to.
And the selection pane? That's your control panel for hiding or showing literally any visual. And buttons? Well, they're the trigger. You link them right to those bookmarks you just made.
Okay, so here's where the magic happens. Let's see how these three work together.
So for example, what if you could let your users switch chart types on the fly?
First, you just create all your charts and stack them right on top of each other. Simple.
Then, save that specific view as a bookmark and link a button's action straight to it.
You just rinse and repeat this for every single chart type. It really is that easy.
But hey, this isn't just a one-trick pony. This same method unlocks so much more.
You can change a chart's access, font sizes, colors, pretty much anything you can think of.
You know, with this magic triangle, you're really only limited by your own creativity.
And what this all leads to is a way better, much more intuitive user experience.
So now that you know the secret, what amazing things are you going to go out and create?